Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are fine. I'm fine, thank you. Students, last time we have discussed how you can find out the solutions of quadratic equation by completing square methods. In this video, we will learn how you can find out the solution by using quadratic equation. Before starting with the help of example to find the solutions of the equation, let's discuss what is the reason, what are the reason at which we can use quadratic formula, right? Let's start here. Let's suppose we have formula x equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac divided by 2a, right? Students, very important, note that if a is not equal to 0, then this formula is applicable on quadratic equation, otherwise not. Let's suppose we check, for example, a is equal to 0, then what will be result occur here? Here will be x is equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac. Here I will put 0, here is 2 into 0. It means that undefined. What is the reason? 1 divided by 0 is equal to undefined term, right? So this is the most important condition. You notice that when 1 by 0 occur, then a equal to 0, quadratic formula failed, right? So now we try to solve it with the help of an example. How you can find out the solution of any quadratic equation by using quadratic formula. Let's start with the help of an example. Let's suppose I have an example like this. You can choose example according to your desire. For example, I have an example 2 minus x square is equal to 7x, right? We have first we rearrange this equation. The reason is that this is the improper form. First we try to convert into standard form the equation. Here you can notice that x square, here you can shift minus 7x plus 2 is equal to 0, right? Now we are going to find out the solution. Here you can notice that a is equal to minus 1, b equal to minus 7 and c is equal to 2. Here is quadratic formula. Try to put the values in equation. X, why the variable x? Because the our required equation is the form of x variable. So minus, here the value minus 7 positive negative 7 square minus 2 into a term is negative 1, while here is equal to 20. Then number term 2 into minus 1. Here is equal to positive 7 plus minus. 7 square always give 49. Here will become plus into minus, minus to minus plus. This term will be, your term will be 40. Then here will be negative 2, right? Here you can find out the solution. X equal to 7 plus minus root of 9 divided by minus 2, right? So you can move forward. X is equal to 7 plus minus 3 divided by negative 2, right? If I'm going to remove this and try to find out the solution of this equation. So we can try to find out this solution. The required equation was that x is equal to, that is 7 plus minus 3 divided by 2 minus 2. So first we can find out the solution. X is equal to 7 plus 3 divided by 2 and x is equal to minus 7 divided by minus 2. The reason is that here is plus sign. The first will come first solution, when negative will give second solution, right? We get the value 2 solutions of the required equation. So here is equal to x is equal to 10 divided by negative 2, 2, 1 and 5. Here is equal to 4 negative to minus 1 or 2. Here is x is equal to, that is minus 5 and x is equal to minus 2. So solution set is equal to minus 5 minus 2. So this is the required solution. You can find out by using quadratic formula. I'm gonna to try to you can find out the solutions of any quadratic equations by using quadratic formula. So this is the required an example. Now I'm gonna to wind up this lecture, so and write some conclusion at the end the conclusion of this chapter. Conclusion of chapter is that what is the conclusion of that? The conclusion of the chapter is number one, there are three methods to find out the solution of quadratic equation. Quadratic equations. Number one method is factorization method. Factorization. Number two, completing square. And number three is formula by formula. So this is the requirement. You can find out the solution of any quadratic equation by using these formulas. Here this is the requirement. You can sort out any sort of quadratic equation by these formula. Here I'm going to stop my lecture. If you have any question, any query, you may contact me. So till next video, bye bye.